Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram unable to load image. So first of all, we will go into the Instagram, and if you're facing an issue where you are not able to load any image, what you have to do is you have to click on Instagram, you have to hold, and you have to go to the app info, and you have to clear all the data. So basically you can see here that I have to clear all the cache, and you have to also clear all your data, right? And after that you have to try once again if the image is loading properly or not. If it's not, then carefully check whether your internet connection is in a good state or it is in a bad state, because ultimately it's all depend upon the internet. And if your internet is in good state, you can do one thing: you have to go to your Play Store, and if you're using iPhone, you can go to the App Store, and you have to type search Instagram, okay? And after that you will see that here is an option of update. So if I will click on the update, Instagram will download it in the latest version, so it may fix your problem. And if it is showing open, then you have already using an the latest version of Instagram. So after that, so many attempts, or you have to apply all these steps, and if you did, then you are going to fix your Instagram problem. Okay, so this is how you can do it. If you found this video really helpful, subscribe our channel, like this video. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.